Hello folks, it's again Ashish from ashvircreations and welcome back to yet another tutorial, and happy to see again all of your smiling faces. Well guys, today in this video I'm gonna give you winter vibes preset in the form of mobile Lightroom, PC Lightroom, camera presets. So guys, by using this preset you can just turn your normal images to kind of winter cold look. If you want your photograph to look very creative like coldish effects, so you can use this preset in your photos and turn your portraiting game or the Instagram game to kind of next level. So guys, before any further ado, let's get straight into the video. Till then guys, be creative and be awesome. Three dots on the right screen, unselect the JPG and PNG and only select the raw file. There is raw file are the preset file which are present in your SD card or the phone memory. Now just here is the cold vibe preset. Just select that preset and click on the add button, so it would be added to your old photos, and here it is already added. Now just select this preset and click on the three dots and select the copy settings and hit OK. And now let's open any of the photograph example images and let's apply this preset over there. Let's take this photo, click on the three dots and select paste the settings, and you can see the difference. Your photograph is totally turned into kind of cold look, which is a very amazing. Now let's apply to one more image. Let's try this one. Here is the summer or summer look. Now let's turn that photograph into winter look, so you can see the difference. Here is the before and here is after. This preset is an amazing preset, you guys. You should check this out, and you can use you can use this preset in your photos. If you want a perfect and a trending Instagram theme, then you should try this preset to your photos for your Instagram. So you can see the difference. Here is the before and here is the after. This preset is an amazing, guys. Let's try this to this photo. Click on the three dots and select the paste settings, and you can see the difference. Here's the before and here's after. You can also apply this photo to your portrait images, also to your outdoor photos if you want to stand out that profile or the photo from the rest. So you can see the difference. Here is the before and here is the after. Let's try on this photo and you can see the difference. Here is the before and here is the after. So guys, now let's jump to the computer screen and apply the same preset in PC Lightroom as well as in camera preset in Photoshop. So guys, all you have to do is just download this cold vibes camera preset and also the Lightroom preset for your PC and also for your mobile. Now we're gonna extract this folder or the RAR file. Just right click on it and extract both the files, and we're gonna install this both the preset to Lightroom and also to the Photoshop. So first of all, we will open this folder, that is FP cold preset, cold vibes AVC. FP stands for filter preset. Cold vibe Lightroom preset from ashvircreations filterpreset.com. Now just copy this preset file and we will install it to our Lightroom. So go to the C drive, select the Pro user, then go to the ashvircreation, go to the app data folder, go to the roaming, select the Adobe and just select the Lightroom, go to the develop preset, and you can paste that preset in user preset folder, or otherwise I have already made a filter preset folder. So I will paste here, copy and replace. Here I have already pasted. So here you can see we have installed the FP cold vibes AVC. AVC stands for ashvircreation, FP stands for filter preset, which is my second website. Now let's just install the camera preset. So just right click on it, select the copy settings, and again instead of going to the Lightroom folder, we will go to the Adobe folder, and here instead of Lightroom we will select the camera and go to the settings and just paste those settings over here. Now restart your Lightroom as well as your Photoshop. First of all, let's open the Lightroom and let's apply the preset to our photos, and let's see how it actually looks. If it will actually give you a very kind of cold look like a winter. So let's take some of the example image. Let's take this photo. Let's take this photo. Go to the develop tab, and from here just select the FP cold wipes. So here is the preset, and just select this, and you can see the difference. Here's the before and here's the after. It is really looking very perfect, and in a cold look it is giving your photograph. Let's apply to this photo. Just click on this and you are done. You can see the difference. It is really looking very amazing, guys. You should use this photo or the preset to your photos to make it look more and more amazing. So you can see the difference. It is really making it look more attractive, and you can see the difference. You can also give to your portrait photos also. Let's apply to this photo. Just click on this and you can see your summer or sunset sky is totally turned into an amazing bluish color, very cold look. It is actually a very amazing look. Just give it this and you can see the difference. Also let's apply to this photo. You can see the difference. It is really looking very amazing and creative. So now let's apply the same preset to your photos by using the Photoshop with the help of camera preset. So let's take some of the example image. Let's take this open image. Go to the filter, select the camera filter, and just directly go to the preset tab, and from here go to the FP cold blue. Here is the cold vibe, and you can see the difference. Here is the before and here is the after. Your photograph is really looking very amazing, guys. Just hit OK. Now let's take some of the more example photographs to your Photoshop, and let's see or test this preset. So let's take this photo. Let's take some hard photographs. Just drag and drop over here. So these are the very much perfect summer photo. Now let's turn it to cold vibe. Filter, select directly camera filter. You can see the difference. It is really making it look more and more amazing than before. Let's apply to this photo. Go to the filter, select the camera filter, and you can see the difference. Here is the before and here is the after. This one is really looking very amazing, guys. So guys, I hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, then just press the like button, and if you still not subscribed to our channel, then kindly do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of our videos and presets. Also visit our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. From there you can download more presets regarding Photoshop, regarding mobile Lightroom preset, camera preset, Lightroom preset for your PC, and also LUTs and many more Photoshop actions just for free. And also guys, don't forget to check out our second website, that is www.filterpreset.com. On that website we can upload soon the most creative and the powerful preset of all the internet soon on that website. So guys, stay tuned on that website also. And also guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Just type ashvircreations. So guys, thank you for watching, and bye till the next video. Till then guys, be creative and be awesome.